Hi, let me show you how to turn on and off your iPhone 16e. And to turn off the phone first, we got two ways. The first one is you need to find your volume keys and power button. So power button is located on right side of the phone and volume keys on left side. You need to hold either volume down plus power button or volume up plus power button, it doesn't matter. Let's hold volume down and power button for a couple of seconds. And now we can see this power off menu in which we need to just slide here till the end to power off the phone. But I'm not gonna do it yet because I want to show you the second way how you can switch off your iPhone 16e. For that, you need to swipe down from upper right corner to trigger control center and find this power button icon. Tap it like this. And you'll also see this power off menu. So slide to power off. And here I'm gonna tap OK. And now it will be turned off just in a few seconds. And now let's turn it on. For that, we need to hold just this side button itself, which is also power button. So hold it until you see Apple logo appears on the screen. And now you can just release button and wait for the phone to turn back on. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.